YouTube channel. It's all about English. So, as we know that one of the most difficult things about learning a new language is learning the grammar rules. And while English grammar can seem quite easy compared to some languages, a small mistake can easily change the meaning of what you want to say. So, here is a list of some important rules that you should keep in mind when you speak and write English. So, in this lecture, we will discuss the first one, adjectives and adverbs. So, make sure you use adjectives and adverbs correctly. Adjectives describe, identify, and quantify people or things and usually go in front of a noun. They do not change if the noun is plural. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs and usually come after the verb. For example, he is a slow driver, so it's an adjective. And he drives slowly, it's an adverb. So he is a slow driver, here the slow is adjective. He drives slowly, it's an adverb. So most adverbs are created by adding ly. For example, slow, slowly. And another example will be uh, like in some cases it cannot be followed even the rules of adding ly to the adjective to make it a verb. So in that case, for example, fast is an adjective. The adverb of fast is also fast. So fast, fast, adjective, adverb. Hard is adjective, hard is adverb. Good is adjective, well is adverb. So in these cases, the rule of adding ly to the adjective to make it adverb cannot be applied. Other example could be like badly, like bad is adjective, badly is adverb. So in these cases, the rule of adding ly to an adjective is applied, is practiced, and in some cases like fast, hard, and good, this rule cannot be applied. For example, your English is good, you speak English well. So these are some of the rules of English grammar. So pay attention to homophones. Homophonic words are words that are pronounced in the same way as other words but have different meanings even if they are spelled differently. It means that the meaning is different. So this can obviously create confusion, and unfortunately there are many of these words in English. For example, they are, there, there. So there, they are, there. So these all are having different meaning. You are and your. It is and it's and it is. So although it is pronounced in the same way, but it has different meaning. So these are called homophones. So in order to have a command over English language or English speaking, you must have to recognize this difference, the difference of pronunciation and the meanings of these words. Here and here. One is that you are here. It means it is uh, identifying and it is indicating the location. And here and the other is verb. It means that you are hearing something, you are listening to something. Break and break, flower and floor, hour and hour. So these are all homophones. So when you are writing, be careful to choose the right spelling. And when you listen, remember that a word you think you understood may have another meaning because the pronunciations are same and the meaning may be different. So you are required to pay attention to homophones. try to understand its meaning from the context. Like one word is used here, so it is used in a context, in one context. The other here can be used in another context. So you have to recognize this difference. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my YouTube channel.